All right, what's up, everybody? So I just got my radio delete back. Shout out to the Kraken Evo for making me this. This is dope. It has my boost controller. It allows me to have my hallman in-car boost controller hooked up. I just hooked it up down through the hoses. I just hooked up the Tein Edfc, plugged it all up, ran all the wires like I did in part 1 and 2, and this is part 3 basically. This is the first startup. I just got to get double-sided sticky tape for this piece though, but let's see what it do. Ooh, yeah, come on baby, we got action. Wow, I can hear the motors going already. First startup, y'all. Let's see. I can hear the motors working. This is dope. I'm gonna go close my hood. I just hooked up the boost controller. I'm gonna go cruising around and start setting these little settings and stuff. Start messing with it. But yeah, this is it. Yeah, after I get it set up, I'm gonna do a video on what I think about the whole system. The coilovers feel great. Not having this on there is, oh man, I just can't wait to drive it around. So give me a minute. This is part 3. Everything's all hooked up. The final installation is finally done. From here on out, it's just driving and going fast and getting your settings down. All right, y'all, later.